Well, in today's video, we are going to learn how to add electrical symbols in ArchiCAD the right way. That's lights, switches, sockets, and everything that powers your plan. If you haven't watched our last video on setting up units and project preference, go and check it out first because it's the foundation for this. Well, before you start drawing, it's important you create an electrical layer that keeps your symbols separate from your architectural drawing. Now head on to design on ArchiCAD and navigate down to objects. So firstly, we can type in switches. So you just type in switch on your search bar, and you are going to see that we have two-way switch, two gangs, we have outlet gangs with two sockets, we have switch with one pole, which is one-way switch, one gang, we have switch with two poles, which is two-way switch, two gangs. So we have switch connection unit, we have switch pilot lights. So this is a variety of the kind of switches that are found in ArchiCAD. Well, let's say we want to input our two-way switch, two gang, which is switch two poles on ArchiCAD. You're going to take note that you have to set it to the electrical layer. So here is interior furniture. You're going to change the layer to map, which is electrical, and you choose the map electrical. So you ensure that your switches are in the electrical layer. Very, very important. Then you are equally going to check on the color. For example, you want your switches to be blue, you want your sockets to be red. So you are going to change the color here on the pen. Let's say you wanted to use this color for the switch, and you just have to click OK. To place it on your plan, let's say you want to place it here, directly behind the furniture, the switch for the kitchen. So we are going to have our switch this way. You can just shift to adjust, and that's how you input it into your drawing. Let's say you wanted to input the sockets, so you type on sockets, and these are the various kind of sockets in ArchiCAD. So let's say you want the socket outlet with two gangs, you can just choose on it, and since it's already on electrical, you just click OK. But preferably I want you to change the colors. You can change the color. Let's say you want to change the color something like this, and let's say you want to place the socket here, so you can just rotate the socket. So let's say you click on the drawing and you can rotate the socket. Let's say for example you rotate it this way. So we have our socket and our switch placed. So that's how you add objects in ArchiCAD. Let's say the next thing we want to look at is things to add our lighting system. Let's say for example lamps, and we want to use maybe interior lamps. You just need to choose a lamp, and you ensure that the color of the lamp is what you want. So if you don't want yellow, you can change it to any other thing. Let's say we want to use this color. We can place the lamp, let's say at the center of the parlor, which is here. And that's how to place lamps on ArchiCAD. Another important thing is how to connect the switch to the lamps. To do that, we are going to use the spline line in ArchiCAD. So navigate to documents and click on spline line, which is this. On spline line, you are going to choose the color of the line. Let's say you want to choose any color, let's say black for example. Click OK. Then from the switch to the bulb, you just have to navigate. Let's say this is a cable, you navigate and you place it this way. Click OK. So you can see our switch has been connected to our bulb, and that's exactly how to draw an electrical plan. Well, so there you go, your electrical symbols are ready and you can use them at your convenience. Well, if you want to draw a full electrical plan, you can check out our video linked above.